SDLC, 100% guys. This question is 100%. They will ask you in interview. So what is SDLC? What is SDLC? Software Development Life Cycle. What is the SDLC means? What? Software Development Life Cycle. Okay. SDLC is SDLC is the process followed for a software project within a software organization. Every organizations they follow what? SDLC. They follow what? SDLC. Okay, it consists, what is SDLC means? We just know, right? SDLC is nothing but a software development life cycle. It consists of detailed plan describing how to develop. Suppose you got a project, right? So once you get a project, you need to think like how to develop this project, how to develop and how to maintain, how to replace and alternate enhancements or new changes. Okay, what are the comes in the project? We need to think all these things, right? So each and everything it will be in where? In SDLC. SDLC is nothing but what? Software development life cycle. Okay, it consists of detailed plan describing how to develop. Suppose a project we got it, then we need to discuss, right, how to develop that project and how to maintain the project and how to replace. Sometimes the requirement will be changed, right? So in that case, how we can replace the things and enhancements means what? The new changes. Okay, new changes of the specific software. Okay, all will comes in where? In SDLC. Okay, the life cycle defines the methodology. So this life cycle defines the methodology for improving the quality of the software and overall development process. If you see the life cycle, if you use SDLC, definitely you will get what? Quality software product. If you are not use SDLC means you will not get the quality product. Okay, most of the organization, every organization, they follow what? SDLC process. Okay, what are the phases in SDLC? Okay, what are the phases? Okay, so the 100% they will ask you this question. What are the phases in SDLC? Okay, requirement capturing, analysis, designing, coding, testing and implementation and support and maintenance. So what is SDLC? SDLC is nothing but a software development life cycle. And what are the phases in here? Requirement capturing. Whenever you got a project, first what we need to do, we need to capture the requirements. Okay, what is the what requirements is required for the project, and what is that analysis? What we need to do? Analysis means what? Whether we can do or not. That will comes on which part? Analysis part. And design part. Once the analysis part is done, then we'll go for what? Design. Designs are again two types: low level designs and high level designs. Understanding, right? Low level means everyone can easily understand, and high level means who having experience, that person only can understand the high level diagrams. Okay, design is done, after that coding will come. See, this is what cycle: requirement, analysis, designing. Once the design part is done, then the coding part will come. Once the coding part is done, then we are involved. Testing is involved when? After the coding. So once the testing is done, then we'll go for a implementation. Once the implementation is done, then we'll go for a support and maintenance. Then we'll go for what? Support and maintenance. So this is what? Software development life cycle. Okay, so requirement, analysis, designing, coding and testing and implementation and support and maintenance. So this is very important, guys. Understanding, right? So requirement capturing, analysis, designing, coding, testing and implementation and support and maintenance. Is it clear? Any questions so far? What is SDLC? SDLC is nothing but software development life cycle. Okay, okay, what is analysis? Analysis means you need to analyze the things whether we can do or not. Analysis, see, I'm analysis on that part, right? Whether I can do or not, whether I can work out on that, because without an I got a requirement, but you need to check, right, whether I can do or not. That is very, very important. Analysis part means thinking whether I can do or not that particular point. So that particular project or anything we need to think. Yes, requirement capturing is very, very important. Once we got the project, right, we get the requirements. Based on the requirement, we will go for analysis. Once the analysis part is done, then we will go for a design. Once the design part is done, based on the design, the coding will start. Once the coding is started, uh, once the coding is started, then we'll go for a testing. See here, the testing phase is involved. And once the testing is done, then we'll go for implementation. Once the implementation is done, then we'll go for a support and maintenance. Then we'll go for what? Support and maintenance. So this is very, very important. Okay, SDLC, software development life cycle. What are the phases? Means you can say that a requirement and requirement capturing, analysis, designing, coding, testing, and implementation, and support and maintenance. See, this should be a cycle. Without design, we cannot start coding. Without coding, we cannot start doing the testing. Without testing, we cannot go for implementation. Without the implementation, we cannot go for a support and maintenance. So these all are very, very, very important. Is it clear? Okay. Yes. So you can tell like that also, like planning. So the same terminologies, okay, the same terminologies. You can tell that planning, defining, designing, building, and testing and deployment. So you can tell in this way also. What is the planning? What is the defining? And what is designing? So first, planning means is what? Requirement capturing. Defining means what? Analysis. Okay, and designing, based on the analysis, we are going for designing. And building is nothing but coding. Once the coding is done, then you will go for a testing. Once the testing is done, then we'll go for a deployment. So this is what? Planning, defining, designing, building, and testing and deployment. Okay, so these all are very, very, very important. Planning, defining, designing. So either you can tell these words or you can tell this one also. So you can tell the planning and defining and designing and building and testing and deploy. Okay, so we can either you can tell this one in interview or you can tell this one. These are the terminologies, good terminologies, like planning, defining, and designing, and building, and testing and deployment. Okay, so there are few things will be there, like what is the requirement documents, like what is this terminology is very, very important. What is called PMP? PMP is nothing but project management plan. What is BRS? BRS means what? Business requirement specification document. And what is SRS? SRS is nothing but what? Software requirement specification. So before, whenever the project will comes to the organization, we need have some documents. Okay, that documents is what? BRS, SRS, and FRS. What is BRS? Business requirement specification. What is SRS? Software requirement specification. Okay, so we will discuss entire the things tomorrow. Okay, because it will take 1 hour time. We'll see tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow. Okay.